Kids, I am so excited you're joining me again. Remember the elf drawing that we did? The magic is still here. I think something's happening. And guess what? I have another letter from Elf. It says my name, Mr. Turry, right here. I think we should open it up. What do you think? Okay, on the count of 3, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Let's open it up. It says, "Dear friends," that's us. "Your elf drawing was so much fun." He liked your elf drawing. I wonder if Santa saw it. "It helped the magic get started. Well done. Good job, kids. But we have a problem." Oh no, what a fright. Rudolph is missing, and we need his bright light. Can you draw him with his nose so red? That will help me bring him back with magic instead. Together we'll make Christmas happen, you'll see. So grab your pencils and draw with me. Magically yours, Elf. Kids, I know what we need to do. There's more Christmas magic to happen. We need to draw Rudolph. Can you draw Rudolph with me? And maybe something new will happen. Grab your art supplies and let's get started. Well, you're in luck because I know how to draw Rudolph. So let's start with Rudolph's nose. I'm going to draw Rudolph's nose by drawing an oval. Do you know what an oval is? An oval is the shape of an egg. Just like that. And it doesn't have to be a perfect oval, but it's like a squished circle. Next, we're going to draw the bottom of Rudolph's head. We're going to be drawing his head. So I'm going to draw a line out and over. And back to the other side of his nose, just like that. And this will be the bottom of Rudolph's face. Next, let's draw Rudolph's mouth. And we're going to use a simple line for a smile. Because Rudolph is super happy. He's excited to deliver the gifts this year. Just like that. Next, I'm going to add 2 lines at the end of his mouth. And let's give him a little expression. Let's draw another line underneath just like that. And this is his mouth. He's kind of smiling with his mouth open. Now, let's draw the top of Rudolph's head. And watch what I create. I start right about here on his cheek. I go up and over and down to the other side, just like that. And you can take your time, go slowly. If you need to pause the video, you can pause the video. Now, Rudolph needs some eyes, or else how is he going to see which way to lead? So let's draw 2 more ovals and watch how I create them. I'm going to do one here. Like that. And then we're going to draw, guess what? 1 more right there. And you can see I'm going slowly too. It's important that we go slow and take our time. Excellent. And let's give him some eyebrows too. So we're going to do 2 lines up here, above both eyes, just like that. Next, we want to draw Rudolph's ears. So I'm going to draw a line out like this, and these are sort of like triangles. Just like that. And we're going to do the same on this side. We'll draw a line out. and a line back. I also want to do the same shape inside of his ear, so watch this. We're going to do the same on this side. That's the nice thing about having two ears. We get to practice it twice. You're doing a great job. Now we need to draw Rudolph's antlers. And what I'm going to do is draw a line up and over. Let's do the same on this side, up and over. And let's draw more lines because antlers normally have some spikes. And I'm drawing 3 lines coming out. Let's count these together. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the top. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Rudolph is an 8-pointer, as we would say. Okay, lastly, let's draw Rudolph's bell. So I'm going to draw the collar on Rudolph like that. And you can draw 2 lines down and then the line connecting them. Next, another line down and then a circle. And this is Rudolph's bell, so we can hear him coming. And I'm going to draw 3 lines down like this, and then same on the bottom. And then let's draw some black dots, just like that. So that is Rudolph's special and magical bell. And next, let's just draw some shoulders for Rudolph. And his arms, just like that. And there's our drawing of Rudolph. I was really hoping we were going to see magic this time, but maybe we have to wait a little bit. Sometimes you have to wait for something good to happen. What's that? Where? You see magic? Kids, do you know what this means? Our drawings are creating superpowers. We're creating magic with our creativity. And we just helped Elf find Rudolph for Christmas. I wonder if he's going to be delivering any other notes. Kids, you have to come back next time. If there's another note from Elf, we need to help him solve the problem. I'll see you next time in our next drawing adventure. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'd love to see your amazing artwork. Parents, if you'd like to share your child's drawing, make requests, or send feedback, you can message me on Instagram. Draw with Sean is a brand new channel, and your support makes a big difference. Liking and subscribing really helps us grow and reach more kids, and it truly means the world to me. I can't wait to see and share what you've all created.